So I'm going to go up to y equals, and I'm going to enter the first equation, y equals negative x plus 5. Well, I'm going to use the negative key next to the enter key, negative x plus 5. So the first equation is entered. I'll come down to the second line. Let's enter the second equation. Y equals negative 5 over 8x plus 15 over 4. So I'm going to use a bracket here. And again, I'm going to use the negative key next to the enter key. Negative 5 divided by 8x plus 15 divided by 4. So the second equation is entered. So to solve this system, I've got to graph it. Hit the graph key. So those are the graphs of the two equations. So they're intersecting in here somewhere, and that will be the solution to the system. So let's get the graphing calculator to determine what that intersection point is. So I want to get this calc feature. To get that, I got to press the second key and the trace key. Now you can either scroll down or you can pick 5 because you want the intersect or the intersection point. First curve question mark, I'm going to press enter. Second curve question mark, I'm going to press enter. Guess question mark, I'm going to press enter. And the graphing calculator is giving us an intersection point. X is 3.333333, so that looks like 3.3 repeating. Y equals 1.6666667. That looks like 1.6 repeating because the 7 on the end here is being rounded. So what does that mean? Well, X is 3.333 repeating. Y is 1.6666 repeating. These pieces here should look familiar to you. So the first piece is 0.333 repeating. The second piece is 0.666 repeating. 0.3 repeating should look familiar to you as 1/3. 0.6 repeating should look familiar to you as 2/3. So the solution is x equals 3 1/3, y equals 1 2/3. Or in other words, x equals 10 over 3, y equals 5 over 3. So x is 10 over 3, y is 5 over 3 is the solution to this system. Now, I'm going to bring up the graphing calculator once more. And I'm just going to clear this off. So another way you can determine this, follow my keystrokes if you want. I'm going to enter 3.3333 right across the screen. Now I'm going to press the math key. And notice it's highlighted on this number 1 already, frac or fraction. So I'm going to press enter. And I'm going to press enter again. So it's telling me that 3.333333 is equivalent to the fraction 10 over 3. Similarly, I'll put in 1.666 right across the screen. And now I'm going to hit the math key. Again, it's highlighted on 1 already, frac, so I'm going to press enter. And I'm going to press enter again. So it's telling me that the 1.666 repeating, that's equivalent to the fraction 5 divided by 3. So again, the solution to the system, x is 10 over 3, y is 5 over 3.